Alright, today I am going to be attempting to install the Borla S-Type catback exhaust system for my 2023 GR86.
Got the car jacked up on ramps, hoping there's enough clearance. Pretty sure I can get under here just fine. Okay, let's rip this open.
Comes. Only he knows where the lubricating spray is. BRB. Alright, let's lube it up. These bolts use a 14mm deep socket. Let's try to get them off. Alright, next we gotta take out these hangers. Somehow we have to pop this out. You're gonna need a pry bar. There's one on either side. Okay, I'm stuck. Let me get out from under the car. Let's see, I'm just gonna let that hang there for a second.
So, reuse and recycle. Packaging that came with the new exhaust, we'll put it under here. Might as well not scratch it up.
I might need two hands for this.
Oh! Well,
came off with the grommet. I'm gonna have to put that back. Perfect. Flip the camera. No more muffler. Be right back.
12 gonna be, yep, it's a 12 millimeter nut and a 14 millimeter bolt.
Looks like it's just one here.
I'm pausing. I need some lubricant.
Alright, got the old muffler off. Exhaust comparison. Looks like, I don't know the exact pounds, but it's definitely going to reduce some weight. My dad thinks I'm being stupid. Oh well.
Okay, so removal probably wasn't the hardest. The lubricating spray worked really good for the rubber grommet thingies, and I've enlisted some help to install the new one here. Say hello, Mance.
Hi.
Be right back. Huh?
Why is all this? I
Okay,
can't do this. It's too tiny.
Vance is really creeped out, but we're going to try it. Hold on, let me get the part.
You're acting awkward, not me.
On the cardboard so it's not scratching.
Here. Is it hot?
No, it's brand new. Here I come.
What do I do? Let go.
You sure?
Yeah. Oh, I did not notice it was you.
Hold on. Okay, boy. That's why I said get all the way under here with your back. Come on. You're using your arms. You should be using your chest.
No, I want to use my
Now
arms.
it's much easier, right?
I need to get some work in.
This is on the right way. I
want
think it is.
to-
Oriented it. All right, let it go. Let's see what happens. I need my where the freak did I put my things? Oh.
There was a roach by me the whole time. Why didn't you tell me?
Where?
I was almost laying on it.
Oh my God.
Oh.
There goes Mans. He's never helping again. There was a cockroach under here. It's a freaking shop. What do you expect?
The road probably gives you more help than you do.
No, if I
Do it again, Dad. He thinks it's going to sound stupid, buddy.
Automobile.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's do this.
Dada,
Yep.
I already asked you. There's no room for that.
Yeah, get on your back and you kind of scoot in here as best you can.
But I would have to put my head.
Got the new muffler assembly on. So when you're piecing this all together, slide this piece onto this piece, and then don't tighten this all the way. Hanging on this little doodad here. It's gonna straighten out once we get the other tips on. So we will be right back. Alright, that's the left-hand assembly. That's what we're doing next. We've got to grab that clamp, slide it over the expanded end. Careful, you should be wearing gloves. I should be wearing gloves, but let's go to the car.
This way. It's like off. The camera's really off.
Well,
Put it
I'm holding it. It's perfect.
Okay.
Now, why is this side more long than the left side?
Okay.
Why can't they just make cars even?
Where's the juice? Okay. Let me get out from right underneath it. Oh no, I got it on my chrome tips.
What? Oh, it's getting all over me!
Oh, sorry. Oh, look at that, it slides right in.
You might want to put those
That's what
safety
she
goggles
said.
that you're talking about on.
Boom, baby. It's in.
Whoa, it looks nice.
And then, so let's get the other side on and adjust it all, tighten it down, and then we're going to be ready to start it.
I can hold it up while you're pulling it in the thing.
Okay. Put that there. Alright, so I guess you gotta tighten down the pretty tight, but not all the way tight. And then I'm gonna come out and take a look.
Ah,
Boy ain't got no shoes on.
Cheetos.
Where's your shoes at?
I'm going back inside.
You know, oh wait, we're almost done. You gotta hear the final product.
I will.
Sounds good. Idle. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do a little in-cabin noise test. I don't know if this is even gonna work or if you can hear it, but let's try it out. Sounds pretty good, I say so myself. Overall, I think it's got great sound. Right now I'm in 6th gear. You can barely hear it. It's not obnoxious. but definitely sounds a lot better than stock. Oh well. Heading to the car wash. Peace.